everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well and enjoying the fall. If it wasn't obvious enough, today's video is about nails. I never consider myself a real big fan of nail art, and in any of my videos I really wear nail polish. I do if I'm trying a new color or if I'm just in the mood to put some nail polish on, but they really don't last on me long. They start chipping away quickly because I'm constantly washing my hands throughout the day. But that was until I tried Madame Glam. Madame Glam reached out to me and kindly sent me a kit of their products to try at home and see how I liked it. But did I like it? No, I loved it. Like, look at this. Mira, mira, mira. So if you're not familiar with Madame Glam, let me tell you a little bit about them. Madame Glam is a brand that offers a salon quality manicure at home. They have professional gel polish and polygel polish and more. And they're all vegan and cruelty free. Plus their formulas are 21 free, palm oil free, gluten free, and they have an extensive color selection and they keep coming up with more. So let me show you how it works. So I received the kit with the colors of my choosing, which I'll swatch for you later in the video, plus the base ink top coat and a mini UV LED lamp, which in my opinion is great for traveling, but they do sell other bigger lamps on their website. So there are two ways you can purchase Madame Glam gels, either on a subscription basis, which is $29 per month, and you can get all the gel colors at 50% off, which is an amazing price if you're a person that loves to create constantly and have a collection of colors. Or you can buy per gel at full price, which is about $20, which is not a bad deal if you enjoy a new color once in a while. And if you want extra savings on top of that, Madame Glam has given me a 30% discount code for you to use on all your purchases. Make sure you go to the description box down below, which in your phone is the down arrow next to the title of the video, and click on the link in the description to direct you to their site. So I followed their instructions as close as I could. I think I did good for the first time, but there's definitely a learning curve if you have never done gel polish before. I moisturized my hands so my skin was nice and soft and began with step number 1, which is to push back your cuticles. Then you buffer your nails with a 180 grit to remove any shine, and the gel can easily adhere to the nail. I did not have any specific buffer, mine didn't have a number, but it worked fine, so use what you have. Then with a lint-free wipe soaked in alcohol, you wipe the nail from the dust and impurities. Once again, I didn't use a wipe. I used a cotton ball with acetone, which was what I had at hand, and it worked okay. This is the mini UV LED lamp, and it comes with a USB power cable, which you can plug it into your laptop. That's what I did. You can also plug it into an electrical outlet or connect it to a power bank directly. The on and off button on top is to turn on the lamp, which is set to 45 seconds of curing automatically. You could press it a second time and it'll give you 60 seconds of curing. And then you press it one more time to turn off the lamp. It's very easy to use. Then we move on to step number 2, and it is to apply a thin coat of base coat gel and cure it for 30 seconds under the LED lamp. Step 3 is to apply a thin coat of the soak off gel polish to the entire nail, and don't forget to do the edges too. I think that gives you the best results. Then you cure it for 30 seconds under the LED lamp, and then you repeat this step for every coat on top until you reach full coverage. I only needed 2 coats in my case. And this is how it's looking so far. I really love the color. I noticed that it has a little bit of a shimmer in the color. It's not completely flat or opaque or matte. It just has a little bit of sheen to it, which is great. I really liked it. I didn't want to leave my nails plain, so I decided to do a little design on them with the black gel. I didn't have a nail art brush, so I just used this old e.l.f. angled eyeliner brush to try and do something. I went on Pinterest to look around. There's so many cute designs, but I settled for something very simple for my first time. And this is what I came up with. Something simple, just lines. And I really like how it came out. I think it looks cute. I think it looks very interesting. So this is the best I could do that day. I gotta say, it is kind of hard because you gotta keep it very still. I mean, it's not perfect, but it is what it is, and I really liked it. That was not the same story for the right hand. Using my left hand to do my right hand was very difficult. Look at those lines. It came out thicker, a little wiggly, but it is what it is. I just gotta get better at it. Then there's step number 4. You put a thin coat of top coat and then you cure it for 30 seconds. I just want to say as a side note that if after you do the top coat and you cure it and you still feel like it's sticky or wet, just grab a tissue, paper towel, cotton pad, and soak it a little bit with hand sanitizer and just wipe that top layer off. Now, this happens when one of the layers didn't cure correctly, and it happened to one of my hands. So once I wiped it, it was perfect. It didn't ruin my manicure. It just took that sticky layer off, and underneath it just reveals like your strong gel manicure. So I would just keep that in mind if you come across this problem. I also read that you could use alcohol or acetone, but it has to be a certain percentage. It has to be a diluted amount, because it might ruin your manicure. And it also said to use hand sanitizer because it's less percentage of alcohol. So I used that because that's what I had at hand. I forgot to mention the color I used as a base is called Cream Silk. And I'm going to swatch the other colors I received on a piece of paper. As you saw, I used on my nail this one, which is the Perfect Black. And these are Sleepy Eyes, Ballerina, and LA Style. Sleepy Eyes is like a baby blue, but it's not a pastel color. It's more of a neutral blue, and it's such a pretty color. Ballerina is a nude color, and it looks more beige compared to Cream Silk, which had more of a pinkish tone, and LA Style, which is a nice deep burgundy color. So these are the colors I got for the fall and winter. I just love them. If you want to see more, go check out their website, madamglam.com. They have amazing color collections, and the possibilities for creativity are endless. Like I said before, I was not really a fan of nail art, but now I'm obsessed. I really can't wait to buy more colors and just play. Of course, I still have to practice doing my right hand, but you know, I'm very excited and inspired to just create. I know I keep showing my nails, but it's just I can't get over them. It's like, so far it has lasted me more than 5 days and they look really good, no chipping or anything. So I think it does have a lot to do with how you apply it. You have to follow the steps on how to apply the gel and cure it. So if you do follow step by step, you're gonna be successful into keeping your manicure longer. So that's what I've seen so far. I did take the time to do it correctly, more or less correctly, but I just loved it. I just love the durability. I just love that it's long lasting. Definitely something I'm gonna be enjoying doing more often. So it's a win for me. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you use? Do you use regular nail polish, gel, acrylic? Don't forget to use the 30% discount code in the description box down below for you 30% discount for any purchases on Madame Glam. And don't forget to like this video, to subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I know it's a lot like being. Mira.